Hi, in this video we will see what do we mean by square root of a number. Let us consider an example. Suppose we have a right angle triangle in which the hypotenuse is given as 13. One of the sides of a right angle triangle is given as 12 and we have to find the other side. According to the Pythagoras theorem, it says that 12 square plus x square is equal to 13 square. Correct? So x square will be 13 square minus 12 square, which is 169 minus 144, which gives us a 25. So x square is 25. To find out x, we need to think of a number whose square is 25. So we know that 25 is a square of 5. So I write x square as 5 square and then I say that x is 5. Correct? Let us see one more example. Suppose we have a square whose side is 2 centimeters and we have to find the length of its diagonal. Let the length of the diagonal be x. We'll again apply the Pythagoras theorem and we will say that x square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square and x square is equal to 4 plus 4 and x square is equal to 8. Again, to find out x, we need to think of a number which will give us the square of 8. So, in all the above examples, we need to find a number square is known. We know the square of x is 8 and we need to find out x, and this process of finding out that unknown number is known as finding the square root of the square number. In the previous example, we were knowing the square of the number. We were knowing that the square of x is 25 and we had to find the actual number. So that was unknown. So the process by which we find out the number whose squares are known is nothing but finding the square root of that number. So we see that like subtraction is an inverse operation of addition. Division is an inverse operation of multiplication. Similarly, finding the square root of a number is an inverse operation of finding the square of a number. If square of 4 is 16, then square root of 16 is 4. These are inverse of each other and the square root is represented by this symbol. Okay, so if 4 square is 16, we can write that square root of 16 is 4. These are inverse of each other. So I hope what is square root is clear to everyone. So there are different ways in which we can find out the square root of a number. The first way to find the square root of a number is by repeated subtraction. We can also find the square root of a number by prime factorization, also by the division method. Sometimes we can also try to find or estimate the square root of a given number. These are the different ways in which we can find out the square root of any given number, and we will be seeing each of these methods one by one in our upcoming videos. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.